Indian badminton coach Pulela Gopichand is addressing the press. Let's cross live.
Both the doubles played really well, the men's doubles. There was some good positives there. We could have done better in the rest of the events is what I would think.
Interesting part this time is the performance of the doubles player. Problem on the double side is coming to an end.
Well, I wouldn't make such a big statement, but I think we've been working very hard and obviously we have a lot of reasons to look at or locate, but we've worked hard and even at the Commonwealth they played well. Even at the Thomas Cup there was some good performance. It might take us a little time to get back and start winning at the biggest of events, but yes, there are positives and we are hoping to do well in the future. And these boys have really worked hard and doubles definitely has improved. A lot of credit to my coaches who've been working really hard and for doing this around.
China plays pretty tournament like women. Good game is only Parantham against the distance. China
Well, I think from my personal viewpoint, I think it's today the world women's badminton especially is more open than it's ever been. అక్కడ చైనా వాళ్ళు ఇద్దరు క్వార్టర్స్కి వస్తే మన ఇండియన్స్ కూడా ఇద్దరు క్వార్టర్స్కి రావడం జరిగింది. సో వీఆర్ కన్సిడరబుల్ స్ట్రెంత్ దే. సో ఫ్రమ్ మై వ్యూ పాయింట్ ఐ థింక్ ది బెస్ట్ ప్లేయర్స్ షుడ్ బి అలౌడ్ టు ప్లే ద వరల్డ్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్స్. ఇఫ్ చైనా హ్యాస్ ద బెస్ట్ ప్లేయర్స్ దే షుడ్ ఆల్ బి అలౌడ్ టు ప్లే.
We've been at this level in the past as well. The new finals of the World Championship has played for you in the past as well. And is it satisfying that the one who beat you went on to win the tournament? That's one. And two, have you noted any immediate changes that you're about to make? Maybe to better the performance the coming time?
I think comparing with the last time, I felt that I could do much better because playing against her, I felt that because this is my second time getting a bronze, so I felt that I could go much more to the next, to the finals, but I lost. But then coming to the next
Breaking news coming in this hour. Vimal Kumar has confirmed to Headlines today that he will be training Saina Nehwal for the Asian Games, and this decision was taken only after consulting national coach Pulela Gopichand. Vimal Kumar will be training Saina at the Prakash Padukone Badminton Academy in Bangalore for 2 weeks for the Asian Games. Former world number 1 Prakash Padukone will also be part of Saina's training and will mentor India's ace shuttler during this 2-week training session. Let's get an word from Shivani Gupta, who's with us in our studios. Shivani, what does this mean for Saina Nehwal and the Indian badminton team?
Well, Simi, we were just hearing from the national coach Pulela Gopichand and also PV Sindhu, who did very well to win a second consecutive bronze at the World Championships. But one thing can be said for sure, that all is not well really between the pair of Pulela Gopichand and Saina Nehwal, who did so well. In the press release that has come exclusively first to Headlines today from Vimal Kumar, who's now going to be training Saina Nehwal, there's an attempt to project it as just any other move. Earlier, of course, Saina's father had also clarified, saying that there is no tiff or there is no split from Pulela Gopichand. It's just that Saina wanted some change ahead of the Asian Games, maybe shake up her training practice and routine a little bit and just push her a little bit more. But one thing is for sure, that all is not well. It seems there have been differences growing between Pulela Gopichand and Saina Nehwal for some months now, and Saina's performances perhaps a dip in those performances, and Gopichand being caught between PV Sindhu and Parupalli Kashyap as well could be the reason for that. But Vimal Kumar, the breaking news coming in right now is that he's spoken exclusively to Headlines today, and he has said that this decision to train Saina Nehwal was in fact taken in consultation with Pulela Gopichand, who's the national coach. In fact, Gopichand too had spoken to us earlier in the day and had clarified that he has no issues with it. But that's on the face of it. It seems there's more than meets the eye right now, and we'll have to wait and see. Right now they're saying this is a temporary shift. She's going to train under Vimal Kumar for 2 weeks before the Asian Games. But after that, we don't know what the scene will be quite. Of course, Gopichand and Saina have been the winning pair in Indian badminton. Is the attention now shifting to PV Sindhu and Pulela Gopichand? That could be the question. So we'll have to wait and see just how that goes after the Asian Games. For the meantime, Vimal Kumar also clarifying that Prakash Padukone is going to be part of the training session that he's going to have with Saina Nehwal before the Asian Games. Simi.